MENSIL MAX is indicated in adult men with erectile dysfunction. The inability to obtain or maintain a penile erection sufficient for sexual activity. For MENSIL MAX to work effectively, sexual stimulation is necessary. How to use. Always take the medicine exactly as described in this leaflet or as directed by a doctor or pharmacist. Check with your doctor or pharmacist if you're not sure. Adults. If the patient has previously taken a medicine containing sildenafil in a dose of 50 mg or more, the recommended dose is 50 mg. If the patient has not used such a large dose before, the drug MENSIL MAX can be taken in a dose of 50 mg. Only if the patient did not feel the desired effect after taking sildenafil in a dose of 25 mg, i.e. did not obtain an erection sufficient for intercourse. The drug should be taken about an hour before planned sexual activity. The tablet must be chewed. It should not be used more than once a day. Contraindications. You should not take MENSIL MAX together with other drugs containing sildenafil. If a lower dose of sildenafil 25 mg has resulted in an erection suitable for sexual intercourse, the 50 mg dose should not be used. The patient is taking nitrates or their concomitant use can lead to a dangerous drop in blood pressure. Tell a doctor if you are taking any medicines of this class. These medicines are often used to relieve the symptoms of angina, chest pain. Check with your doctor or pharmacist if you are not sure. Taking nitric oxide releasing medications such as amyl nitrite poppies, as taking them together can also lead to a dangerous drop in blood pressure. Taking Dosage. It is a drug used to treat pulmonary arterial hypertension and chronic thromboembolic pulmonary hypertension. If you are taking Dosage or are unsure, please inform your doctor. Contraindication is severe heart or liver disease, recent stroke or heart attack, and in cases of low blood pressure. Inherited degenerative changes in the retina such as retinitis pigmentosa. If you have ever had a loss of vision due to anterior ischemic optic neuropathy, not related to arteritis. Warnings and precautions. Talk to a doctor, pharmacist, or nurse before using MENSIL MAX if sickle cell anemia, an abnormality of red blood cells, leukemia, cancer of blood cells, multiple myeloma, cancer of bone marrow. If you have an anatomical deformation of the penis or Peyronie's disease. Heart problems. In this case, the doctor should assess whether the patient's heart condition allows for additional effort related to sexual activity. Peptic ulcer or blood clotting disorders such as hemophilia. If you experience a sudden decrease in vision or a sudden loss of vision, stop taking MENSIL MAX and contact a doctor immediately. The drug MENSIL MAX should not be used simultaneously with other oral or local types of erectile dysfunction therapy. MENSIL MAX should not be used simultaneously with treatments of pulmonary arterial hypertension with the use of sildenafil or other PDE5 inhibitors. MENSIL MAX should not be taken if there is no erectile dysfunction. MENSIL MAX is not a drug intended for women. Patients with renal or hepatic impairment should inform their doctor. Patients with renal or hepatic impairment should not take more than 25 mg of sildenafil. Side effects. This medicine, like any other medicine, can cause side effects, although not everybody gets them. Very common, may affect more than 1 in 10 people. Headache. Common, may affect up to 1 in 10 people. Nausea, flushing of the face, hot flushes. Symptoms include a feeling of heat in the upper body, indigestion, vision with a color glow, blurred vision, stuffy nose, dizziness,